With the ever-growing presence of technology in our society today, we as educators need to be able to teach our children how to use technology and how to use all the instruments that are out there, and as well as be up to date with all the current ways of teaching. And that's why I am proposing that we get these, or we do a one-to-one program. Now, one-to-one means one computer per kid and per faculty member or teacher. It's There's a lot of programs out there that can do. There's a lot of programs out there that are geared towards this, and the major companies that are producing these technologies and these computers doing doing a great job of trying to integrate them into the school system. Now, the one that I think is the best is through Google Chrome, and Google has come up with a platform and many different devices. But I think the best option is to do a computer, one per computer per kid, and this will lead to kids knowing how to use their computers better, plus their computers better, plus teaching them how to take care of a device, which is a lesson within itself. But the uh, device that I did the most work on is called the Dell Chromebook 2, and it's durable and it's built for the classroom. It's built for a kid to toss it in his backpack and take it home with them. The estimated cost of it, with 200 kids in the school and about 15 um, faculty members, is $6,727, which honestly isn't that big of a profit or a big of a margin, considering that you will be able to use these computers over and over and over. Um, implement or To implement them, obviously we would have to get these computers, and then before school starts in the following year, we need to train everyone that will have one, all the administration, all the faculty members, and we need to train them on how these computers work and how we can use them the best. Now, that all happens before school starts during in service. It's a pretty simple system. There's a bunch of apps. There's a bunch of different things you can do through with these computers and through the Google system. And as many of you know, the Google, or you can have a Gmail, and it's free, and all of those all of those different um, apps come with that. Um, so we'd implement it before or during our in service before school starts. Get the kids in, teach them in a couple days, teach them the basics of using this, and as the year goes on, we would teach them how to use different applications and different all sorts of different things. But it's a learning process for the kids as well as for the teachers and the faculty. But the biggest thing about these Chromebooks is they're cheap, they run well, and they have operating systems already built into the computer. So that's how we get past that. And now the impact of these, I think, is beyond anything we. I mean, we can imagine, we can see it. try to see it. But with, like I said earlier, with the amount of technology that's used in today's workforce, we need to start having kids learn how to use these mobile devices and use all these different technologies for them to give them a better chance to get a better job, to go to a better college, to better their life. And that's what we're really doing this for, right? Um, the and these are a great way. These uh, Chromebooks are a great way to learn the basics and have everybody have a computer. Now, our I don't think we should allow the kids to take the computers home, especially in the beginning. I think it's an investment, and they need to stay in the classroom or in school. They need to stay within the campus of the school. But I think it is a great idea to have a one-on-one program, teach the kids and the uh, educators how to use these technologies to increase their education. Right?